Kim's Creations. I mixed up 3 ounces of resin and I let it sit for about 10 minutes and it got to about 95. And then I decanted 1 ounce over here. And I am going to, I guess, pour this in here. And it can do its thing and get back up to temperature while we move on to the next part. So what I'm going to attempt to do is I am not using any alcohol inks in this bloom. It's just going to be clear with white. So just clear with white petals. That is the plan. Just scooping every last bit out. All right. Okay, so in my 1 ounce that I have here, I am going to only add 2 drops of Julie's Bloom Paste. And the reason is because in one of them, I am going to add the pearl white. So I don't want my white in here to be too heavy when I add some of this pearl white by Krystal. I think this came from Krystal Resin as a sample, so I'm going to use that. All right, I'm just going to give this, whoop, I shook you guys. Okay, so we're just going to do 2 drops in here. Let it come out the end. Stop squeezing. 1 hoop. I think that might be, I'm just gonna put that in there. 2 drops, there we go. And now I'm gonna mix this up. Okay, so this is how transparent or opaque this looks now on my black stick. And I am going to divide it, hopefully pretty equally, we'll see. Good enough. So I've got it equally-ish divided. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of this into this cup. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the end of my stick. And just get that much. And dunk her in. And we'll stir that up. This is a mica powder. Oh, adds a nice shimmer to that. You do want to make sure mica powders are stirred into your resin really, really well, or they will, if they're not, they'll kind of blob out. That is beautiful. Look at that. Okay. So in this cup here, I am going to decant this tiny little bit. And I'm going to give this another stir and decant it into this one. All right. I'm going to get these ready here. I'm just going to push that resin down to the bottom. Twist that up. I'll put it right there. And then I've got this one on this side. So I'm gonna put that over here so we know what's happening. Okay. And now I'm just gonna snip off the end, and I'm gonna do concentric circles, alternating between the white and the pearl. All right, let's see. Whoop. Oh, I just have enough. All right, that's that one. And now let's do, all right, here we go. This is the pearl. Ooh, got a little jaggedy there. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna have to, want to spread these out so that the blobs don't sink, hopefully. Did I get them all? Maybe here. Okay. All right, now I'm going to do my quartering. So outside to inside. And then inside to outside. Now, what do we think about the middle? Just a little swirl. Just gonna do a little swirl. And that's it. This stuff here is blooming really well. What's happening over here? I'll be back when this is cured. We're back and it is dried. So let's see. I noticed that my center shifted, which is weird because this is level. Oh well. Oh, move my light. Okay. Oh, it is so pretty. Do you see all that shimmer in there? Oh, Wow, that is amazing. Amazing. Yay. I think I'm going to put a back on this. So hold on. Let's check out options. Okay, we could do red. We're thinking for maybe Halloween, for Christmas. Maybe have a sparkly red background. It's an option. I'm gonna look at navy. Navy's good too. Black would be just as good. I think the black makes it dramatic and just really soft and beautiful. It's an option. Really, I think any color would look good, but it's just more dramatic. I think I'm gonna do black. I think black is the way to go. It's classic, right? I love that. Let me know what you think of this 3D bloom. I love it. Thanks for being here.